Hi guys, it's been a while again since I uploaded my last video, and today guys, as you see here, it's a mess here because these things we put it outside. This is the things inside our room. So today in this video, Ivan and I will going to do something here inside our room. So as you see, our room here still this plywood. I want to paint this room color white so that my baby could because there's so many insect here in our room, so we cannot see. So it's a good thing to paint a color white color. But instead of painting, when you paint the it is a it will last for days or weeks. The odor is bad for the baby, so I decided to buy this. This is a wall sticker. So I decided to just use this sticker, wall sticker, wallpaper. So I just bought it here in our town. So this is a color white wallpaper. So as you see, we're going to put every corner of this room. So let's get started. Parang So guys, we're almost done in half of this room. So I bought three colors or three kinds of this wallpaper. So this is the plain white, and under the white, as you see, this in the upper side, I put the white color, and then matching it with this. It's like a bricks design, as you see. So, and then I also bought for the ceiling. I bought this design since I have a baby. So this is a very a beautiful color for the baby. So I bought this. I saw this design. It's a cloud. So this is going to put in our ceiling. So I have three kinds of colors now. Actually, I also bought a wood color for this cabinet. So we are almost done in our sky. As you see, I have a sky ceiling here. It's full of clouds. So we are almost done. We still have this small portion here. So we're almost done in our wallpaper stickers. So this is the best thing that I decided to do, because instead of painting, it will take us more days before the odor will stop because baby is here. So this wallpaper here is an odorless, so there's no paint. It's just a sticker. Alright. We are now done in our ceiling. Alright. It's cloudy. So we still have more to do here. This area. So this is actually I take out the foam. I take out the foam in our bed. So as you see, our bed is made of coconut lumber and this bamboo here. And for almost 2 years, or I think more than, this bed is still, you know, good. As you see, it's so very this bamboo is so very tight. I even made this also. You see, it's very brinca. So Ivan will give you an example of this bed. How taon niya? Gusto niyo?
3 tayo.
Oh, 3 years. He told that it's already 3 years, but you see, still good. Made of bamboo. That is our bed.
Kaya, peta. Ano yun sih? Ano yun? Baylan. Facebook nila magod.
So this time we already putting the sticker into the door, in the door. So in this time I decided to make it, you know, same design. The bricks under and the upper is the white. So as you see, it looks like we don't have a door because it's like a uniform to this bricks here in the white. So this is our door. So this is the finished project Ivan and I made. So some of the windows are not yet done because I got short of this sticker. So I'll just continue myself to do that. So this is the outcome. So thank you guys for watching and hope to see you in my another vlog. And God bless us all. Bye.